What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I have great news for those of you who are on iOS 13 or for those of you who got a new iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, but also for those of you who are planning to upgrade in the future to iOS 13 on any supported device. Sparky, a developer in our community who is also an exploit developer, has posted, quote, delivery to TFP0 in under 3 minutes, and he posted this picture in here, which is basically the log of his exploit, of course running perfectly fine on an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 11 Pro, I cannot exactly tell, but from the chip here, TA030, it's basically an A13 device, which is an iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. All of them have the same chip. And also the iOS version is the iOS 13, because if you see here the XNU version, the kernel version is 6153, so it's iOS 13's kernel. Now, as you can see here, he successfully got TFP0 on that device. As you probably know, iOS 13 is the only version signed for the moment for these devices, for the A13 ones, which are basically the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, and for the other devices there is also 12.4.1. Now, to have a kernel exploit that gives you TFP0 on iOS 13 on the latest Apple device, it's actually astonishing since this features a new chip. It's basically the A13 chip, which is not present in any other devices. Now, it does share the same ARM architecture with the A12. It's basically the ARM v8.3, but at the same time it's a new chip, so you would expect new security techniques and so on. But apparently Sparky managed to get TFP0 or kernel task port in under 3 minutes when he got his device, so that is actually quite good, and it speaks volumes about the future of the jailbreak on the A13 devices. So of course the jailbreaks for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Now, should you stay on iOS 12.4.1 if you have an older device like an iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, iPhone 7, 7 Plus and so on, or should you update to iOS 13 if you want to jailbreak? Now, for those of you who have an older device, older than the iPhone 11, I would definitely advise you to stay on 12.4.1, because even though Sparky achieved TFP0 on iOS 13 on the latest devices, the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, that doesn't mean he's going to release it, so for the moment you're better off staying on iOS 12.4.1. However, if you have an iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, there is no 12.4.1 for you, so you have to stay on 13.0. But even in your case, there's a decision to make, because iOS 13.1 will be released on September 30, so at that point you will have a new update. I would definitely recommend you to stay on 13.0 for the moment if you want to jailbreak your iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. Now, even though Sparky said nothing about a release, he might release once the jailbreak exploit is patched, and with a TFP0 exploit we can update the Uncover and have a full jailbreak even on iOS 13 and of course on the A13 devices, which is the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and so on. Now, as I said, for those of you who are not running on an iPhone 11, stay on 12.4.1. There is a guaranteed exploit from ZecOps. They said in here that they are going to post a TFP0 kernel exploit for 12.4.1. So I wouldn't jump from 12.4.1 to 13 for the moment. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more jailbreak news and more articles, go ahead on my website fc365.info. I post here a lot of articles and how-to guides and so on. And there's also a Can I Jailbreak page, which basically contains the information about the current jailbreaks and which tool works on which iOS version. There's also a forum that we have in here for the jailbreak news and jailbreak help. If you need any help with your jailbreak, you can definitely go ahead in here to ask questions and receive jailbreak help. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.